What's up, Beard Struggle? And all my brothers out there that use the Beard Struggle. And to those who don't use the Beard Struggle, I'm going to do a 2 to 3 minute video for you guys to show you the awesomeness and the greatness of the Beard Struggle. First of all, let me just tell you guys that their beard balm, right there, baby, right there, see that? Right there. Beard balm, this one is the Crimson Beard Balm Viking Fury. Yes, I still have some of that old stuff on that they used to sell on their website because I was stocked up so much that I still have leftovers. But let me just say, guys, that their beard balm is the best beard balm on the market. I will use no other beard products than the Beard Struggle. Why? Because the Beard Struggle makes beards look great like this. Looks amazing, amazing. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you guys about is their beard conditioner. Let's see, we got some Freya's Bliss. We got Freya's Bliss. We got Viking Storm. That was upside down, guys. This is what I'm currently using right now. I'm gonna say Viking Storm smells really amazing. But yeah, back to the conditioner. Let me just say, guys, the conditioner is the best conditioner I've ever used in my life. In fact, when I order these, I try to get like 4 or 5 because they're just that good. And their scent is so much stronger than the beard wash. The scent on these conditioners are amazing. They smell so good. And they make my beard nice and smooth, and the women love it. And so do I. Yes, and as you can see, I still have some of their classic bottles off their website on their old stock. I said I got a few of those, but I stocked up on so much of them that I still got leftovers, like I said. But let me just say, top of the line right there, guys. Don't use that Walmart crap. Don't use any of that crap you get on Amazon unless it's a Beard Struggle. Other than that, stay away from all the other beard products. It won't even come close to the Beard Struggle. Their beard oil, got that day oil, and we got some of the night oil. Now I took the wrappings off the bottles, as you can see, mainly because I just like the cool color of the glass and everything looks pretty cool. But this particular oil is Odin's Virtue, and let me say, guys, Odin's Virtue is my all-time favorite. It wasn't the first one on their site. This is probably their newest scent on their website right now, but really good stuff. It smells really sweet, kind of, I like to call it like a sweet little cotton candy. In my opinion, that's just me, but everybody has their own opinion on the scents. So good stuff right there. And as you can tell by the night bottle, I am running low, so I need to get more of that night oil on their website. Probably gonna do that sometime today, tomorrow, or maybe Sunday. I like to do things Sunday. I don't know why, but for me, when I do orders, Sundays are always the best because you got that whole week to get that order shipped out to you and have it to you by the end of the week. Like I said, the beard balms, I got some Viking Honor. We got the Viking Fury, and this one is Viking Storm. And yes, these are the old ones because I loved them so much that I tried to stock up so high on them. I wanted to make sure that I had enough so I wouldn't run out. But anyway, guys, if you don't use the Beard Struggle, I highly recommend you do because their products are top of the line and they're just amazing. And this is my stash right now from the Beard Struggle. I'll show you guys before I end this video. Just do a quick little swipe on my counter so you can see it. But if you guys haven't tried Beard Struggle, check them out right now. I guarantee you'll love it, and your beard will love it too. Alright, guys, so here's my stash. Peace out, my brothers.